Welcome to Control Tech. This video series is to help our customers in solving common dehumidifier issues. We will suggest you different steps to resolve this issue. So, let's solve it together. Now let's address second most common issue. Why is my dehumidifier not removing moisture? Let's start troubleshooting with checking dehumidifier humidity settings. Users need to set the required humidity level in the dehumidifier's control panel. Dehumidification starts if room humidity is higher than the set point on the machine. The dehumidifier might only work if the room's humidity exceeds the specified value. Adjust the desired humidity level on the dehumidifier if necessary. Second step to solve this problem is to check if dehumidifier is placed at proper location in the room or not. The working of the air dehumidifier involves the free flow of air in and out. Place the unit so that there are no obstructions to its intake and outlet vents from furniture or curtain. Ideally, the system should locate at the center of the room. Finally, you can check air filter located at inlet vent of the dehumidifier. A clogged air filter can restrict the humid air intake inside the dehumidifier. This, in turn, reduces the moisture extraction ability of the unit. Please refer to the dehumidifier manual to access and clean or replace it. Regular maintenance of the filter will help maintain optimal performance. For more such informative videos on dehumidifiers, please subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, please do email us. We, Control Tech Dehumidifiers, will be happy to answer it as much as possible. Get in touch with us to learn more about our products and services. Thanks for watching this video.